Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find your Minecraft screenshots. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's just go ahead and take a screenshot right here. Alright, maybe this angle, F2. As you can hear, it says saved a screenshot as this name. Now, where do we find it? Okay, so to find it, you can just go ahead and open up the launcher. Okay, right here, open up the specific mod loader. If it's not a mod loader, you can just go ahead and open up the latest release or what release right here. Scroll down and find screenshots. Okay, double click on it, and here we have it. All right. Now, another option, if you want to, you could go ahead and be extra geeky. Okay, you just go ahead over to your search bar and type down %appdata%. Hit on enter. Now, here we have .minecraft, and again we have the screenshots. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you find your Minecraft screenshots. So I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.